Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to take a training on 4 main factors that plays a major role in deriving the premium for commercial property insurance. Just to have a quick recap, commercial property insurance is for commercial buildings and other exposures specific to a company. Say if I have a company, I run a business, I have my building, I have a business personal property that I have within my building, or if my building is collapsed, I can have some loss specific to my income or extra expenses. Maybe I have to move my temporary properties from one location to another location. So I too have some loss exposures, which means like possibility of loss. Now every time when a business wants a commercial property insurance, when it goes to an insurance company looks at these 4 major factors to determine the premium. Let's take each of these factors and explain with an example. The first factor that the insurance company looks at is construction. What kind of building they have? Did they build the building using wooden things, or did they build it using stones? Because that makes a huge difference, right? When there's a fire, the way the wooden materials catches fire is very easy compared to the building that are built in stone. So the premium may be higher for wooden built homes or buildings compared to the other ones. Or the age, say if the buildings are older, then what happens? The premiums are going to be more. Or the size of the building. If there are multiple buildings or the square feet is more, then you are going to charge them more premium compared to smaller buildings. So the first thing is the construction factor, which plays a major role in deriving the commercial property insurance. Second factor is operations. What kind of operations are we running in the building, right? Say if you take an IT organization, most of them will be knowledge workers where they share the knowledge, so the possibility of risk is less. Whereas if you take an automobile company where there are a lot of machines, cars, so the possibility of risk is higher, so the premium could be more. So say if I have a company that has a lot of chemicals, then the possibility is still more higher. So what kind of operations that we run in a company is also one of the main factor in determining the premium for commercial property insurance. Third thing is protection, right? Like what kind of safety precautions that we have within the building, like fire alarms, or if there is a fire, what is the distance between your building and the fire engine office. So all those safety features or protection factors that you have within your building is one of the important factor in determining the premium of commercial property insurance. The final exposure is nothing but final factors in exposure. Say if you have a building which is near to the seashore or flood prone areas, then your exposure is higher compared to a building which is there in non-flood zone area. Or if your building is in an area where it is very closer to the seashore or flood prone areas, then your premium will be higher compared to other areas where it is less prone to have earthquake or flood zone. So what is your kind of exposure? Sometimes you may not have high risk exposure your building, but your adjacent building may produce some kind of chemicals. If that building gets kind of fire, then it's very easy that it can spread to your building. So that kind of external factors, exposures are very important in calculating the premium for commercial property insurance. So just a quick recap, there are 4 major factors that we use to derive the premium for commercial property insurance. One is the construction, the second one is operations, the third one is protection factor, the fourth one is exposure. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.